Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. In this video I'll be going over how to pair an iPhone to the 2019 and newer Audi Q3 MMI. This is the all-new Q3, switching to a touchscreen system similar to the A7, A6, e-tron, A8, and the Q8. And this car is a Premium Plus model with the upgraded larger center screen here, as well as the full virtual cockpit. And this model does offer wireless CarPlay. To get started, we're going to go into my phone and just turn on your Bluetooth, make sure the phone is discoverable. You're going to want to set this up through the phone menu on the screen here. So click the phone, then click the connect mobile device. Wait for your name of the phone to pop up. Then you want to confirm the pair and allow contacts to sync. So that's done on the phone. And once that goes through, you will get a notification that it's asking you if you want to activate wireless CarPlay. You're going to have to go ahead and click CarPlay, and you're going to have to agree to the data transfer. And once you do that, now that we're in the phone mode, it shows you kind of that the phone is in Apple CarPlay mode. It does not work when you're in Apple CarPlay mode, the built-in Bluetooth mode. You have the opportunity here to switch between CarPlay and Audi MMI. So to access CarPlay, you want to go to your home screen, and that's going to be right here where it usually says Audi smartphone. Right now it says Apple CarPlay, and as you can see, my phone is completely wireless. Now you obviously can still do CarPlay through the USBs. You have a traditional USB, a USB-C right there, and those are the only ones in the front of the car. Now with wireless CarPlay, you basically can put your phone on the wireless charge pad down here, which will keep it at a charge while you use CarPlay. And it's basically the same system that you would find in the A6 and A7. Screen is super high resolution, super fast. I like how the apps are very small. You have a lot more of them on the screen versus smaller screens. Right now we have a row of 5x2, which is pretty awesome. And the frame rate is incredible, especially for it being wireless. So let's get, for instance, Waze on the screen here, and it will fill the screen pretty well. Let's see. Let's follow the instructions on up. There it goes. Just took a second to load. And as you can see, it takes up the whole screen real estate, which is pretty awesome. Just like the other Audi models, this voice button, if you hold it down, it will bring up Siri. Cancel. And that's pretty much the gist of it. When I have access to iOS 13, I will do another update with that. Until then, leave any comments below, and thank you for watching. Take care.